What's up guys, Rich here, and we're going to unbox Bausele's Oceanmoon IV. So here we go. I already took off the plastic because I don't think we really want to see all that. But here is the inside of the box. Let's see. Bausele's certificate of authenticity. And then here's the face of the watch. And let's get to it here. And here it is. It's in 42 millimeters. And Bausele is a Swiss-made watch based out of Australia because Bausele is an Australian-based brand. And they do a lot of things, genuine things to fill out the Australian part in their watches. So for example, I know here in the crown, that's genuine Australian sand from one of their beaches. They put different areas of Australia into the crown of their watches. See that there? So that's a bit of Australia in the Australian based watch. It has a lot of really nice themes to this watch. Really nicely finished. I can immediately tell that. It's a very rich looking watch. It's the dial, or the hands are easily distinguished by that orange minute hand. And it's a sandwich dial with a nice silver sunray pattern dial. They have a lot of different colors in this. I like the silver a lot. I also really like the sandwich dial. So there's the Australian sand that I said that's in the bottom crown. The top crown looks like that's going to be for the inner rotating bezel. Let's see. Yep. So it's a bi-directional rotating bezel. It is water resistant to, I believe, 200 meters on this watch. It's a really nice first impression. The strap is made out of a recycled plastic. So I like that because it's repurposed into something that is good for the environment and something that all us watch fans can appreciate. It's a nice textured strap. A really nice first-rate deploying clasp. This is really well done. Nice snap action. There's their branding on the clasp, but a really nice deploying clasp. Something that I know that they're proud of on their website. It's a solid case back, and let's see if we can turn it this way. We can see the theme right there. You can see it's half of it's with the ocean and then the moon above it, which would make sense since this is the Oceanmoon, the actual Oceanmoon 4. You can see the wave pattern on the bottom and then image of the moon. I'm really glad that they went with the solid case back over an exhibition case back. It also is a great canvas to show some artful images here that is consistent with the theme of the Oceanmoon. So really nice, just really nice design overall. I like having two crowns there. The movement that is powering the Oceanmoon 4 is the Swiss automatic STP 111 movement, which is a fossil-owned movement, and we get 44 hours of power reserve. The retail price on the Oceanmoon 4 is $800. So I think to get a Swiss-made watch for about $800 that has touches of Australia, literal touches of Australia in there, and just an overall really nice look. I think that makes it's a strong value watch to me because you can tell the quality. The quality is just a really premium quality using recycled plastic here. That's something that I know a lot of us actually appreciate as we get older and we want to care more about the earth and the oceans. I think this is really a nice touch. But they also have other strap options as well. We can get it in leather or rubber if we prefer, but I'm going to stick with this textured recycled plastic. It's a plastic PET strap. I think it's gonna serve me well. So overall, a really nice looking watch. So if you're looking for that cool divers, that everyday divers that looks differently, you like a sandwich dial, Swiss made, and if you want to support an Australian based brand, then I think the Bausele's Oceanmoon 4 is definitely worth a closer look.